Why we have dominant hand. Look at your hands. These incredible instruments of creation, connection, and craft. They are capable of such intricate dance, such powerful grip, such delicate touch. But have you ever stopped to wonder why one of them seems to lead? Why, for most of us, one hand feels like the captain of the ship, effortlessly navigating the world while the other plays a supportive yet essential role? This isn't just a quirk of nature, it's a deep, ancient mystery woven into the very fabric of who we are. It's the story of your dominant hand. For centuries, the preference for a left or right hand has fascinated thinkers, mystics, and scientists alike. It's a fundamental aspect of human existence, yet one we often take for granted. We simply are left-handed or are right-handed. But what drives this profound difference? The answer, like so many wonders of the human body, begins in the most complex and extraordinary organ we possess, the brain. Our brains are divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right. And for most of us, there's a fascinating crossover. The left side of your brain largely controls the right side of your body, and the right side of your brain controls the left side. It's like a secret handshake between hemispheres. While the exact why of handedness is still a subject of passionate debate among scientists, several compelling theories have emerged. Some believe it's a genetic lottery, passed down through generations, a tiny whisper in our DNA determining which hand will take the lead. Others suggest it starts even before we take our first breath. Imagine, inside the womb, a tiny hand beginning to explore, perhaps already showing a subtle preference, a lean towards left or right. It's a preference that might even be influenced by hormone levels during development. But perhaps the most profound theory links handedness to language itself. The left hemisphere of our brain is dominant for speech and language in most people. Could there be a deep evolutionary connection between the hand that crafts tools and communicates and the brain hemisphere that weaves words into meaning? It's a captivating thought that our hands and our voices might share a common neural ancestor. The truth is likely a beautiful, intricate dance between all these factors: genetics, prenatal development, and the incredible, evolving architecture of our brains. Now, for some fascinating facts that might just make you look at your hands differently. Fact 1. While about 90% of the world is right-handed, left-handers, though a minority, are remarkably diverse. Some studies even suggest they might have an edge in certain sports or creative fields, thanks to the unique ways their brains are wired. Think about it. In a right-handed world, lefties often have to adapt, developing unique problem-solving skills. Fact 2. It's not just humans. Animals also show handedness. From the preferred paw of a cat to the dominant flipper of a whale, the animal kingdom offers echoes of our own handedness, suggesting an ancient, universal principle at play. Fact 3. In some cultures, being left-handed was historically seen as unlucky or even sinister, leading to discrimination and forced switching. This heartbreaking prejudice highlights how deeply intertwined our physical traits can become with societal beliefs. Thankfully, much of this has faded, but it's a stark reminder of the importance of acceptance. So, what does this all mean for you? Whether you wield a pen with your right, or paint a masterpiece with your left, your dominant hand is a testament to the incredible journey of human evolution, a subtle indicator of your unique neurological blueprint. It's a reminder that even the simplest aspects of ourselves hold profound stories. Your handedness is a part of what makes you, you. It's a small, yet significant piece of your identity. My advice to you today is simple, yet powerful. Embrace the unique ways your body and mind are wired. Celebrate your differences, because it is in these individual quirks that true strength and beauty lie. Don't let anyone tell you that one way is right or wrong when it comes to who you are. Your hands are powerful tools capable of shaping your world. Use them to create, to connect, to express, and to leave your unique mark. What's your dominant hand? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.